Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
Today we're going to be working in a step for Milonga rhythm. This one will be great to improve your musicality.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications so you'll see our videos every week, like and share with your friends.
Now, let's get to the video. Alright, here in the dance floor, as we promised, we are going to show you the step that you are going to use to improve your Milonga rhythm. So we are going to syncopate doing this. 1, para pa 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 pam, side, step, para pa 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 pam, step to start all over again.
This is beautiful for Milonga because the rhythm is a little faster sometimes, and it's very easy to keep the musicality doing this step. Also, you're not using much room, space, so you could do it for navigation when you need to stay on the same place.
The step is kind of simple. You may know it already, but the most important thing and the most beautiful thing is to do it with grace, yes, with style. So not only musicality, also the way you position your body will really help so you look wonderful.
Okay, let's explain this. So we're doing a side step at first.
Side and leaders, we are going to go outside. So outside, but if you notice, I'm displacing my hip, yes? Like Miriam was mentioning in another video, she displaces the hip and we also leaders displace the hip. If I don't do this, I will bump with her, yes? So I will displace the hip and walk out. Front, I will change her body weight and I will do this by shifting and pulling. So I'm moving my center. Tack, can you see that this is moving my center, is to change her body weight. Plus a little bit of rotation pulling back with my right shoulder blade. Look, tuck. For sure, that way she will change body weight. Sometimes we change and she doesn't, and it's because the lead is not proper. So we need to make sure she changes with us. And from here, yes, we can go back, yes, to tap. Another thing for Milonga is that we tap ankles together, yes, that will be mainly for rhythm. I'm coming back, for example, from here, I was changing, and now from here, I'm going back, tap, go, rather than doing back, go. This is very vague. So do one tap side to exit, slow, quick, quick, slow.
Good tip for the followers. When we go to the feet together, we have the legs straight. Be careful, don't go back to the feet together down here. We go up, use ball of your foot, don't use your heel. So your center is not back on your heel, is front with the ribs on your toes. On this moment, let me show you. Okay, stop. We have something to tell you.
We would like to invite you to check out our online tango school, which is on our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where we have 2 new videos every week.
Online tango training is a beautiful school that you can do at home, improve and shine at the Milonga.
Okay, now let's go to the second part.
So we do side step here, back, back. See, I'm on the toes, ribs, front. If he moves from there, I go front. Why? Because I put all my intention on my toes. I'm not here on my axis. I'm not here on my heels. I'm a little bit with the ribs on the toes. To create these nicer shapes of the step, nicer feeling also, because you can syncopate easily and it's more elegant. So this is lowering for the follower. Back extension, lowering again to go front, tap to the side, and here we can have the knees soft to do the resolution or the next step. So on that moment, legs straight and grow taller from the ribs.
And going into the resolution, part of the style as well. So don't walk straight into resolution. In a straight means in a square position. This is what I mean. For example, I will do the entire step, tap, tap. So far, so good. Now, from here, if you walk straight, can you see? I will do it without grace for a second. It's fine, but it's not great. Yeah. So when we are doing this, after going into a resolution, leader straight to I call it drifting. Drifting means like going almost like going like this. Yeah, so when we step, try to step forward, having your right shoulder blade a little bit back. So don't push forward. Yes. So this is the drifting mode that I call it. And from here, yes, it's much easier to go into a resolution. Because we have better angle. If I will be square, her next foot is too much on my way, so I have to avoid it, and it's not the drifting mode. I'm going a little bit apart from my foot, so later it's much easier to go to a resolution.
Now we are using here a move that we did on the prior video. So go back to the video, and this is the move I'm talking about, when he changed body weight from the ribs, and we feel that on the hips, legs, and foot, wall of your foot. So we are doing this here. Let me show them with this angle how we do side step. Here, one change, front, side. See here, when I go back, I have the lift from the chest to go to my hips and then prepare my left leg to go front. So we did that exercise last week before. So go back to the videos and look for that technique, because it's very, very important, and use it in many figures.
Okay, now we're going to rotate and show you with the rhythm how it'll look from this side. So, to start all over again.
So if you notice, we are syncopating the moment of feet together, body weight change, because it goes more for the milonga.
Yes.
Okay, so we go slow, and then back we go quick, quick, slow, and you can go slow again to the next part. Wow, congratulations, guys.
If you are here at this part of the video, you rock. It means you're improving your tango.
Thanks so much. Remember to like it, share with your friends, and see you on the next one.
Bye.